Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Festina Chronograph watch. Today's model has the date here at 3 o'clock, and when we want to set the time and date on a quartz watch, on a mechanical watch, there are going to be three basic principles that we want to take into consideration. Now, something that you want to know about the date is that it usually engages between 9 and 12 or 12 and 3 o'clock. What I mean by engaging is that the wheel that changes the date, so that changes the date from the 30th to the 31st, is going to start to rotate between 9 and 12 o'clock, or between 12 and 3 o'clock, or between 9 and 3 o'clock in case you have a day-date complication. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So as I go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock, you can see that between 9 and 12 o'clock in our case, the date, so the wheel that changes the date has started to spin and the date is now engaged. This means that we want to avoid changing the date while the date is engaged, because we can easily break the date wheel on both quartz watches and mechanical watches. As I go past 12 o'clock, you will see that the date is going to change. And now it is a safe place to change the date. Now there are going to be day-date complications, so watches that have both the day of the week and the day of the month, where the day of the week is going to engage between 12 and 3 o'clock, or even between 12 and 5 o'clock if it has two languages. So in order to protect the date, the first thing that we want to do is to set the time at 6:30. So 6:30 is going to be considered a safe setting position, because it is outside of the danger zone in terms of having the date wheel engaged. So both of our watch hands are now in the lower part of the dial. So this is going to be step one. Now the second step is that we first want to set the date and then set the time. And I'm going to set the date 1 day prior to my end goal, so that I can go manually with the watch hands past 12 o'clock and arrive on my desired date and know whether I am AM or PM. So in my case, I'm going to first set the date. So I'm going to push the crown all the way back in and pull it to the first position. Here I'm going to rotate and I'm going to change the date. Let's presume that my end goal is to make it the 10th of the month. I'm going to make it the 9th, and then I'm going to arrive on the 10th using the watch hands. So this was our second step, and now for the third step, I'm going to pull the crown to the last position, and here I'm going to go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock manually. As you can see, the date did not change, so this means that now we are PM on the 9th. As I mentioned, my end goal is to make it the 10th. Now you will see that the date is going to change, and now I have arrived on the 10th, so my desired date, and now I can make it 5 a.m., so 5 in the morning. If I want to make it PM, I'm going to go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock once again. You will be able to see that the date will not change. You can see that now I am still on the 10th, and now I am PM. So now I can make it 5 PM, so 5 in the afternoon. And that is how you know whether you are AM or PM on your desired date, and that is why you first want to set the date and then the time. In order to finalize the process, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in. The subdial for the seconds hand has started to tick, and voila, we have correctly set the time and date on our Festina Chronograph watch. This tutorial is going to apply to other watches out there, including mechanical watches. In case you want to watch the full guide with how to also realign and to use the chronograph watch on your Festina Chronograph watch, make sure to check the link in the description box below. I also have a full guide on how to replace the watch battery in case you are interested. In case you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, including this vintage Festina Chronograph watch, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, I will see you on the next one.